Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on my Lexus NX. I'm talking about 10 accessory and custom updates that I have done on the vehicle and tell you how it is today. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos. And if you like my video to the end, please help me out with a thumbs up. First of all, this vehicle is a joy to own and drive at the same time, and the beautiful color is called Atomic Silver. Yes, I have the luxury trim package, which has a lot of special accessories like the triple beam LED headlights and also the 20-inch wheels. 20-inch wheels you could get on the premium model, which a lot of people will probably go for the premium instead of the luxury. And there's also a base model. I'm talking about the US packages, trim packages, by the way. And you walk around, there's a beautiful eel on the tail lamp as well, and especially the Lexus is spelled out in the back with a wiper. And I think the body lines look really nice, especially closer than farther away. So the first item I added is the paint protection film. Yes, I have it professionally installed from one of the local installers here, and it's pretty good. And not a perfect, excellent job. I would say like an A to B plus, A minus to B plus. And I don't have it installed throughout the vehicle. I don't know. You could tell instantly where I have it installed. Can you tell where it's installed? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. I have it installed on the hood, the front bumper, the headlights, and a few other areas. And I bet it's not that easy noticeable because it's well installed. And also it's a known brand. It's called Xpel. Xpel is one of many paint protection film brands out there. I think I trust Xpel and also 3M. Those are the good ones. I'm sure there's other ones out there that do a decent job, or but 3M and Xpel, the more famous one. Yes, if you get a nasty rock chip like this one over here in particular, you could just change the paint protection film and the scratch is gone. So also on the hood as well too. And there's actually kits online you can install it. I'm not sure you want to attempt that unless you know what you're doing. So it takes a lot of years and experience to know how to install really good paint protection film. And I think it's worth it. Have a headlights installed because not only it protects the headlights, but I don't like the headlights to turn yellow in a long period of time because I plan to keep this vehicle for a while. No, I don't have it installed on the side of the fenders because I don't think I need it there really. If I had a lot of extra money to blow away or something or spend, maybe I would do that. But in my case, I didn't want to spend money on that. I did have it installed, the door cups here, that's what they call it. Those are nice because you dig into that to open the doors. You put your fingers in there, you can actually scratch that area. And I noticed that in my other vehicles. So that's a great area. And the other area I suggest you have installed is in the back over here, unless you buy the Lexus optional trim piece for the back. So that protects the bumper. If you're not careful, you can actually easily scratch the bumper because the low floor is pretty high. So that's something I would suggest you get, at least for that area in particular. Okay, this other item I actually specifically requested as accessory is the door edge guard. How's it different from the 3M one? The 3M one is a film, but this one is, see how thick it is? It's aluminum. So if you hit another vehicle, unfortunately the other vehicle will probably have a little ding instead of your vehicle, and this one holds up better over time because it's aluminum. So notice that it's nicely bent. All right, it stays on and it looks beautiful, like the color of the vehicle. You only could buy this one installed from the factory, not from the dealer, from the factory. Already at number 3 is the body side molding. You probably can install it yourself. Not hard to do. Benefits are mixed. Basically, they kind of have to hit the area where your body side molding is at to protect your door. Otherwise, it's just for appearance purposes. In case of the NX, it's more for appearance, I guess. It gives you a little bit more character, the lines, I guess. Otherwise, it'd be a lot of emptiness in that area. So I kind of like, yes, it kind of helps if they hit that area, it protects your vehicle. If not, it's a waste of money. Okay, number 4 actually is something that maybe it's for appearance. and maybe it prevents some of the debris and dirt to splashing on your vehicle. I think it helps both ways for appearance and debris like dust and dirt from splashing on your vehicle. But it also makes it look pretty good in the back over here. Is these mud guards, and I actually prefer if you buy it installed. I found installing it is not as easy as it seems, especially on the back wheel over here. It took some time, more than I thought. Okay, number 5, paint protection film for the doors. So this is an interesting concept. So sometimes you step on a little rock or something on your shoe, gets caught, and you enter the entry of the door, you can scratch the side of the door. So why don't you just buy some paint protection film on eBay and 3M and stuff like that, and you can apply yourself. And it's very simple to do. It's a little trick, and you can protect the side of the door at the same time. I ordered these weather floor mats for my Lexus NX, and they're great. And not only that, they look pretty good, they actually hold quite a bit of water and dirt and rocks and debris. And the only thing is like it fades a little over time, but it's still holding it pretty good. Yes. And sometimes your shoes are dirty, if it's raining outside and stuff like that. And it's worthwhile to get something that preserves your carpet and your vehicle, so it's easy to clean as well too. So I have it on the front, the two fronts over here, and also the back. So you see the NX is pretty spacious overall. It fits perfectly for me. I don't need a vehicle really that big. I go with this vehicle like short trips around the area and stuff like that. I don't go out of state or anything like that, particularly with this vehicle. And in the back, you can see that it's very clean, but sometimes I have guests in the back as well. And it's worthwhile to have weather floor mats. So you can see the different perimeter at the edge. There's a little raised edge there. Those are really important if you spill water and such like that. And it doesn't go all over the carpet. You don't want to really mess up the vehicle because you didn't have good floor mats. So I would say check out the Lexus floor mats. Okay, so number 7, I installed a dash cam on my NX, and this is an easy thing to do on the NX because this one has the rear view mirror. No, you don't need the digital mirror. The rear view mirror will work, and what you do is like you open the different compartments and get a splitter. So that's all you need to do. And it's probably like a 15-minute task to do if you know what you're doing. And that video will help you out. And it's only not only for safety, but also for insurance reason as well too. The first thing I added to my vehicle is a screen protector for the infotainment screen because you don't want to get this thing scratched. If your infotainment screen is scratched, you're going to live with this regret forever. So spend a little money, maybe like $20, $25 or so, and get one from Amazon. And it's easy to stick on and clean the area and stick it on, and it will last a long time. Trust me, it's worth it. And yes, you still have fingerprints, but the getting a scratch is even worse than that. Number 9, well, I have a WeatherTech cargo liner. No, I didn't. That's the part number. I didn't buy the Lexus one because this one has a little curvature. I know you can see that in particular, but it's pretty nice overall, and it shows WeatherTech. There it is, WeatherTech. Number 10 is the NX Rear Puddle Lamp, and that's the part number. And actually, it's worthwhile to get one of these because if you live in an area that you need to open the lift gate to look for something, it's so much easier if it's brighter. And it's very easy to install, so don't buy it installed in a vehicle. It would not be worth it, so it's actually cheaper to install yourself. Hopefully this video helps you out and the update helps you out. Please help me out for thumbs up, comment or share, please leave below, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.